we're counting on Social Security to help provide income. You're already counting on Medicare, right, to help provide your long-term care. Excuse me, your your regular care. You need a knee or a kidney or skin cancer. Okay, that's what Medicare is there for. And now, of course, they're expanding into health clubs and every other thing. Wonderful, good. Let's stay healthy as long as possible. But what is not covered by those programs is long-term care. And there is a government program that you paid into, just like you paid into Social Security, just like you paid into Medicare. The third program is called Medicaid, right? And that's where most people wind up on Medicaid because they run through their assets. And this is happening more quickly than ever, right? It used to be that you might be able to skate by. Back when when I first started doing this stuff, a month in a long-term care facility was around $3,000. Okay, well it's over 15 now, and good luck if you can find it. We used to say 12 to 15. I suppose there are still some that are only $400 a day, but if you're looking for a skilled nursing facility, you're in the 500 range very easily, and then you add a few extras like the Dolphin mattress or those boots that keep thrombosis away or this and that. And now you're well over it. Okay. That's reality. You don't like to hear it. Well, I'm sorry you don't like to hear it. Oh, we'll never go to a long-term care facility. Really? How do you know that? Are you sure? I mean, what crystal ball, where'd you buy your crystal ball? I'd like to get one myself. If that's your attitude towards, oh, it'll never happen. Well, it does happen. Okay. And when you do this planning, you can make sure that the bulk of your assets are protected. You can do that. And if you haven't done any planning and now you're confronted with it, right? You're confronted with a long-term care situation, you can get qualified for the Medicaid, right? If you're a married couple, pretty much save all of your assets. Still. Now there's no assurance of that, right? That's why we do the planning. It's more reliable, it's less expensive, it's all those good things. And you're not in the middle of a crisis. Right? So when we do the plan ahead stuff, we're worried about how we get you qualified for the Medicaid. Right? But that doesn't mean that just because you didn't plan ahead, is it going to be more expensive? Yeah, it is. Will it be more difficult? Uh-huh. If you're single, does that mean you're going to be giving up more? Yeah, it means that. All right. It's not as good, but it's better than nothing. Better than going broke, in my opinion.